God, big God, big God.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning everyone.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Good, thank you very much. Before I start, I will absent Moday,
Yes, miss.
Naila,
Yes, miss.
Aski,
Yes, present.
Ain,
Present.
Muawiyah, Isma, Aritika,
Yes, miss.
and then Gita.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Before I start, I want to ask you something. Do you like the story? For example, like fable, legend, and then fairy tales. I like fable. Do you like fable? Ain? What's the title?
Kecil.
Okay,
Kacang
kecil.
beda.
And then Naila, what? Crocodile, berarti animal story. Oh, crocodile. Berarti about animals. Story about animals. Okay. Okay guys, today we all learn about narrative text. Apa itu? Ya, let's. Okay, the first is introduction of narrative text. Narrative text is a text that tells a story or past event to entertain the reader or listener. Narrative text usually tell stories such as legends, fairy tale, and then fables. For example, story is like Malin Kundang, Cinderella, and then what else?
Kancil.
Nah, anyone give me example? Roro Jonggrang is legend ya. Okay. The next about social function of narrative text. The social function there are three types. The first is to entertain the readers, and then the second to tell a story, and the last to teach a moral lesson. Moral lesson is a moral message or moral value. Berarti pesan moralnya. Setiap cerita itu mempunyai di narrative text mempunyai pesan moral. Bukan hanya untuk menceritakan suatu peristiwa atau suatu legenda cerita, tapi mengandung moral value juga. Get it?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, the next about generic structure of narrative text. The first is orientation, and then
Communication.
and then
Resolution.
Okay, the first in orientation. Orientation it means the introduction of the story. It's tell about the character, place, and then the time. For example, once upon a time, the king lived in the big castle. Berarti di sini menunjukkan karakter, tempat, dan waktu. Tadi once upon a time itu menunjukkan time. Okay. And then the character tadi siapa?
King.
Okay. And then the last place. Di mana?
Castle.
Okay, good. And then the second complication. Complication is it means the problem or conflict the story. Berarti setiap di cerita ini pasti ada masalahnya. Ya, contohnya, for example like the king lost the crown. Berarti rajanya kehilangan mahkotanya. Berarti itu sebuah masalah. The next is
Resolution.
Resolution it means the solution of the problem. Setiap ada masalah pasti ada
Solusi.
Okay, brilliant. And then the last, reorientation. Reorientation it means the ending then a farmer. Okay, class, let's see for the example, the narrative text. Anyone the read? Raise your hand. Afifah. Yes.
Semuanya, Miss.
Sampai mana? Sampai sini deh.
Okay, Miss.
Nice.
The Lion and the Mouse. Once upon a time, there lived a lion in the forest. One day, after a heavy meal, it was sleeping under a tree. After a while, there came a mouse and it started to. The lion got up with anger and looked for those who disturbed its nice sleep.
Okay, good. Give applause, guys. Then it saw a small mouse standing trembling with fear. The lion jumped on it and started to kill it. The mouse requested the lion to forgive it. The lion felt pity and left it. The mouse ran away. Okay, good. And then next, coba baca ASCII. Ini ASCII sampai selesai.
On another day, the lion was caught in a net by a hunter. The mouse came there and cut the net. Thus, it escaped. Thereafter, the mouse and the lion became friends. They lived happily in the forest afterwards.
Okay, good. Let's discussion, guys. Happen di mana? Ini cerita ini terjadi. Forest atau hutan. And then next, what problem happened in story? Berarti masalahnya apa di sini?
The lion angry.
Ya, the lion angry. And then lion apa? Mau membunuh? Ya, mau ditangkap oleh pemburu.
Yes.
Okay, and then how did the story end? Endingnya gimana?
Then in the party.
Berarti lion and mouse hidup
Bahagia.
in the
Forest.
Good. Lion singa.
Lion singa.
And then mouse tikus.
Mouse tikus.
Forest hutan.
Forest hutan.
Angry marah.
Angry marah. Menolong.
And then truck perangkap.
Truk perangkap.
Okay, now can you make the one sentence this list word? Choose one word and then make the one sentence. Bikin dulu
Maju,
one
Miss.
sentence. Langsung aja. Saya
Oh, aku udah dapat.
Oke guys, kalau udah ada yang bisa menjawab, Miss, I have the gift for the correct answer and then choose the one word.
Ayo.
Satu-satu. Siapa dulu? Mondai. Lion. What the sentence?
The lion is very strong.
Okay, good. Give applause. Choose one. Candy or chocolate? Okay, Miss. What else? Siapa? Aina.
I wanna help my friend with homework.
Okay, good. Give applause, guys. Choose one, Aina.
I wanna go after this.
Choose one.
Aku
Maaf ya.
Miss, I want to try number 4. Angry.
Angry. What the sentence?
My mother is angry because I play a game.
Okay, good. Give applause, guys.
Yeah, because I know.
Choose one.
What is that, Miss?
This is a candy.
Yeah, I want candy. Thank you.
Okay. Oke, guys. Next ya, guys. Nanti ada pertanyaan lagi. Ada 8 pertanyaan. Cepet-cepetan.
Yang udah jawab nggak boleh jawab, Miss.
That's simple. Okay, guys. And instead of running. The rabbit thought of a plan. He tied the lion to a deep well and said, "Another lion lives inside." The lion looked into the water and couldn't escape. The rabbit saved the jungle, proving that wisdom is stronger than strength.